Hi friends, welcome to Key to Pictures. What is a fixed lens? A fixed lens is also called a prime lens. And that just means that the focal length of your lens is fixed at one point. So it doesn't zoom in, it doesn't zoom out. Meaning that if you're trying to take a picture of something that's far away and you want to zoom in on that picture, then you would have to walk closer to your subject to zoom in. Same goes if you want a wider angle in your image. If you couldn't just move the lens, you would have to walk further back to get that wider angle. Which may sound like it would be frustrating or annoying for somebody to have to walk closer or walk further away with their lens to get what they want. However, a prime lens has so many advantages. First being, I feel like the quality of a prime lens is better, and this can be argued back and forth. However, I feel like you can produce sharper, crisper images with a prime lens than you can with a zoom lens. And with that said, you can get a higher quality lens at a cheaper price if you buy a prime lens as opposed to a zoom lens. So you would be able to get those sharp, crisp, clear pictures at a very low cost compared to getting a very high-end zoom lens. And also, when you buy a prime lens, you are able to take better pictures in low-light photography with low-light photography because a prime lens the aperture on the prime lens goes very, very low. So the f-stop on a prime lens I've seen get down to 1.2, which means that your aperture, which is inside your lens that opens and closes to let light in, when it's at a 1.2, it's open all the way. So that means a lot of light can come flooding in through the lens. So when you're taking pictures in low light, that's a wonderful tool to have to get those sharp, clear pictures, but not use a flash in low light. So again, a prime lens or a fixed lens means that it just has one focal length. It doesn't zoom in or out. And I want to leave you with a quote, one of my favorites. It's by Henry Cartier-Bresson, and he said, "Your first 10,000 photographs are your worst." And I love that quote because it always brought me so much hope, because I would look at my pictures as I was learning and I'd think, oh, these don't look that great, or I'd compare them to other photographers. And every amazing photographer had to start somewhere. Their pictures didn't start out as amazing. They just kept taking pictures, kept learning, and growing through the amount of pictures they took. So never give up, and I know that you'll keep getting better and better. So make it a great day, and I'll see you soon.